Yeah, okay, hello. Good afternoon, everyone. And today I want to continue again to practice reading and speaking. And today the topic is okay. Wait. Okay, the topic for today is the bug that wasn't a bug. Can I ask you something? Sure. Have you ever spent hours fixing a bug? Yes. only to only to discover it wasn't about more time than I like to admit. Seriously? Yeah, absolutely. That happened to me today. Tell me the story. A user reported that the search feature wasn't working. Okay, I tried it immediately and it worked perfectly. Interesting. So I asked the user to show me the problem. Good idea. They type a name into the search box, makes sense. Then they pass space before the name. You already know. Yeah, I have a guess. The search returned nothing. Did your application remove extra spaces? No. There's your answer. So it wasn't really bad. Not exactly. Then what was it? Amazing improvement. There's a difference. A big one. Explain. The application behavior exactly as it was programmed to, but it didn't behave the way users expected. I hadn't thought about it like that. Many of software problems are like that. Interesting. So what did you do next? I used the trim function before searching nice. Then I tested it again and it worked. It's excellent. The user was happy. That's what matters. Can I ask you something? Go ahead. How do you know whether something is a bug or a feature request? That's a great question. I'm listening. First, ask yourself, okay, is the application doing something it shouldn't do? That sounds like a bug. Exactly. And what about a feature request? Ask a different question. Which one? Is the application missing behavior that users would find helpful? I see. Sometimes the answer is obvious, and sometimes the team discusses it together. That makes sense. Can I give you another example, please? Imagine a login page. Okay, a user enters the wrong password, right? The application says invalid password. Normal. Now imagine the user asks for a show password button. There's not fixing a bug. Exactly. It's adding a feature, correct. You know what I learned today? What? I shouldn't assume every repost means my code is broken. Exactly. Sometimes users are telling us about your experience. It's an important distinction. I used to think users only report bugs. They also report confusions and frustration. Exactly. Which means go on. They are giving us feedback. That's right. Even if they call it a bug. Exactly. Can I can I ask one more questions? Of course. Do experienced developers still misjudge bug reports all the time? Really? Yeah, sometimes a critical bug turns out to be a typo. And sometimes small issues reveals a much bigger problem. So we shouldn't jump to conclusions. Exactly. Investigate first, always. I think today changed the way I see bug reports. How so? Instead of seeing complaints, yeah, I'll try to see opportunities to improve the product. Now you're thinking beyond the code. I'll check as an compliment. It definitely is. One report at a time. Yeah, one report at a time. One improvement at a time. Of course, one improvement at a time. One user at a time. Yeah, one user at a time. And one better product at a time. Yeah, one better product at a time. And thank you. For day 43 is present when creates when thinking is usually have in software development. That's not every problem is a bug. Okay, thank you.